Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Discord where we are not receiving the verification code. So for that, go to your phone settings, and in your phone settings search for app settings, and in that you will be able to find this option of manage apps. So click on it. The name might be different but the functions are same and similar on almost all the phones. Search for Discord here. And after opening up Discord, you have to clear the data and cache memory of Discord, so it will remove all the corrupt files on your Discord. And after that, click on app permissions and allow all the permissions for Discord, so it will be able to send you the code that you require for login. So after enabling and allowing the permissions and clearing up data and cache, you will be able to solve your problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.